Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Ancord speaker in green, and you get it in a nice little box like this with the power cords to charge it to the computer or to the wall, however you choose. And it comes with its set of instructions, and this is the product. So what I'm going to be doing is you have to follow the instructions to pair it. I have it paired already to the iPad. Very simple, very, very simple. It should be done automatically. So I'm going to turn it on.
FM mode.
So this is also an
Our planet is vast
and this is how it
glorious,
sounds
full
with an
of
FM
natural
mode.
marvels and intriguing wildlife. It's also full of challenges and ecosystems under threat. At Living on Earth, we try to...
As you can see, it sounds amazing, correct? Well, let me now pair it to my iPad so we can hear the music.
Try to learn what...
And it does this.
I'm Steve Kerr. This week and every week on Living on Earth.
Bluetooth mode.
And you press right here to change it, and it's going to pair to the iPad. So I'm going to turn on my Spotify.
Bluetooth pairing successfully.
It is already paired. It does it automatically for you. And let me show you how it sounds.
The next 30 minutes are ad-free, thanks to the following
Plus,
sponsor.
to make it louder, minus to make it in this.
Olay Ultra Moisture Body Wash.
Give it a second.
Gives skin the moisture it needs and keeps it there longer. With lock-in moisture technology, skin is petal smooth. After all, a cleanser
Sounds pretty good, but I want you all to hear how it sounds with the music.
Thanks for watching. Click here for more information. Now, enjoy the next 30 minutes of ad-free
And
music.
here we go.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. So gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan.
It sounds amazing.
Turn around and drop it for a plan. Drop it for me. I went to beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail, but
So this little speaker is amazing. It is again from Ancord, and I got it in green. And I will be linking all the information below if you're interested. This little speaker, very powerful. I am very happy to have it. Now I can be jamming. Thank you all for watching. Have a great afternoon. Bye.